If you're just joining, can you please say hi? Can you say hello? Let me get your name, okay? Should I use filter? This time I'm just getting used. Some filter are so bad here. There's no need. Let's just get into it. Into it. Into it. I want to share this life. Okay. Actually, I want to be debunking some estimates. Some earthmates. Some earthmates. Yeah, and it's supposed to be. Okay. Okay. Give me a minute. One more minute. One more minute. I want to share this live. So just hold on, guys. All right. Yesterday we were talking about some earth mates that you're not, some health lies that you're not supposed to be believing, and I think I mentioned about 6 yesterday. I don't even know I'm going to be staying that long yesterday. So today I want us to continue from where we stop before I actually go to work. I want to get my material coming. While I wait for engagement for my dear ones. So, how many of you know this thing? Like, if you crack your knuckles, I don't know if anybody know it. Of course, you guys will know cracking of knuckles, all this cracking. You probably have the idea. You crack. We used to enjoy it now. You crack your knuckles and just to feel good, you feel relaxed immediately when you're done cracking. So I heard that it causes arthritis, like it causes inflammation of the joints. It allows your joints, the joints of your fingers, to be inflamed. Where did you hear that lie from? Like, where? It is not true. It is not true. You can crack your knuckles, but it's just that some people overdo it. It's not everything. Oh, you don't have to overdo everything. But on a normal ground, this has no issue. You can crack your knuckles as much as you want. Crack your knuckles because this your knuckles is supported by fluid. There are some fluids there that allow the easy movement of the knuckles. You get. If you're just joining, can you please say, let me get your name, okay? Say hi in the comments. In the comments. And double tap to like this live, okay? So, why will cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? No, but my own advice is that don't overdo it. Don't make it an habit. Every seconds, pa, 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 every minute, pa, pa. It's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be. Okay? So it doesn't cause arthritis, or it doesn't. Then I had another one that your vitamin C whites work better. I know many of you know vitamin C tablets, this small white and red medicine, the white one and the red one that used to be sweet. So I heard that the white one usually work more better than the red one because that one is just sweet. Stop believing that. That is not true. The white one and the red one has the same ingredients, same compound, same thing. So don't believe that one work better just because of that one is just done for some people that doesn't like a sour taste, the sour taste of the white one. You do know that the white one used to taste sour and some kind of, you don't feel comfortable taking it. But truth be told, the important thing here is that they both work the same way. The same way. Hey Gianna, hello. Hey Gianna, you know Soa? I saw Soa. Really? Can you please come out? Come out, come out. Let me get your name, okay? So that I can say shout out. I can shout out to you. For you to know Soha, because that's my nick. My nickname is Soul of Alhamdulillah. So for me getting this name, I want to know who has just joined my life. So just as I've been saying, vitamin C white and vitamin C red has the same constituents. Don't say one work better than another. They are both working. They have the same work that they do. That one is just flavored because some people don't like the taste of the white one. Me personally, I don't like the white one taste. I don't even want anything bitter, even though I'm an health professional, but still, I don't want to have that taste, that white taste. But you see that red one, if you like the red one, let me know in the comments. If you like the red vitamin C, just give a thumbs up. And double tap, please, if you are just joining this live, can you please say hello? Let me get your name. Let me get your name. Let's get to meet ourselves so that we can be free to communicate. If you have any health questions, health related questions, I'm always available. I'm a DM away, okay? I'm that nurse that you can trust. All right. So the vitamin C white, that's what I've been saying before. The first point I mentioned is the fact that some people, all right, let me increase this. I hope you can hear me. If you can hear me, say I can hear you. I don't think I can even. Can you hear me? Please say you can hear me in the comment. Let me know you can hear me. So I won't be talking to myself. So the first point I mentioned here is that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Don't let anybody give you that health lies, but don't overdo it also. Don't overdo it. Why the second point is vitamin C and vitamin C white and red are the same thing. The only difference is just the color, just the flavor they added to it. All right, thank you, Jana. Jana, I said you should come out. I want to know your name because I don't know BS Jana, but I'm surprised that you know my nick. That's why I want to know who Gianna is. Okay. So what I was saying is that vitamin C white and red have the same constituents. So if you want to buy your vitamin C, don't let anybody say go and buy white. Go and buy white. Vitamin C is the best. It works better. It's the best. No, if you want your white, go for white. If you want your red, go for red. Don't be deceived. Okay. So that is that about that. Then another myth I want to debunk is that where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Your period should be painful. Hey, who tell you this thing? Where do you learn it from? That period though, those period cramps, those menstrual cramps that you're feeling, it's supposed to be. It's normal. It's although those that have menstrual cramps, I will not say it's abnormal, but a normal menstruation plan shouldn't be that painful, right? But even though you are having menstrual cramps, it doesn't mean that that's not a normal thing. Body is different, and hormonal changes in everybody is different. You cannot compare somebody with another person. But I don't want to hear that it should be painful. That is those that are not feeling pain, that don't normally have menstrual pain. Are you trying to say that that is not normal? So that is wrong. Whatever information you want to be getting, you want to make sure that those information are correct. Correct. Okay. So period pain should not all the time be painful. Don't say those that have menstrual cramps is a normal thing. Then those that doesn't have is abnormal. No, no, they are both in the book of normal. Okay, in the book of normal. So period pain is not necessary. It doesn't necessarily have to be painful. And a lot of things causes period pain. In case you don't know, some things, some lifestyles can cause period pain, like stress, then taking sugary things close to your menstrual cycle. Some things that you will even notice, but you just because you are not conscious of your health or you don't care, then you overlook them. So things like that is what I don't want to hear. I'm trying to debunk that myth. Did I debunk it or not? So if you used to have menstrual cramps, let me know in the comments. Okay, on a normal ground, a period pain should be that mild. It should be mild. There should be just a little discomfort. But when it is getting severe, I want you to point out two things. When period, thank you for liking this live. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The person that liked this live, thank you, thank you, thank you. So what was I saying? Oh, famous. Thank you so much. Famous. Good to have you here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate. Thank you. So the whenever you are being, oh my god, whenever you have your menstrual cramps and you notice that the pain is getting more severe, please just get to see a doctor, because this can be as a result of endometriosis, you know that condition, fibroid. A lot of things can be the reason. Don't just stay by with your pillow on your bed, then you use clothes cover your body, you are looking for something to make it relieve you, you go for painkillers, you use hot water bottle, you bath with hot water. This is not acceptable. Don't joke with your health until doctor tell you eyeball to eyeball, face to face, and you see your result like this, that nothing is going wrong there, before you can be managing your menstrual pain at home. But without that, don't ever, don't ever stay at home. Stay at home whenever you're having a severe pain. You know what severe pain is? You have to scale your pain from 1 to 10. If that pain is between 5 downwards, that means you are still on the line. 5 upward, if you scale that pain and you see that this pain go reach like 6 or go reach 7, in fact 10/10, don't stay at home. Don't stay at home. Go to the hospital. Thank you for joining this live. Thank you. I appreciate everybody that show up. Thank you. I appreciate. And double tap while you're here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So I just want to debunk some health lies that have been going on, because I noticed some patients when they come to the hospital, some things that are preventable. They will say when they had that somebody can stay at home, pain is natural during period. Even though you see that this pain is not usual, it's not the normal menstrual pain. Your menstrual pain is not supposed to be the one that can make you be crying, shedding tears. It's supposed to be mild, little discomfort, something that is manageable with, even though you take hot water and warm water, you bath with warm water. it should be okay, or you take just mild painkillers. But when it gets to the extent that painkiller self is not working, it's severe, you have to take multiple painkillers before it reduces, then please see a doctor. You never can tell. I used to tell you, you never can tell. You never can tell what is going wrong. Okay, so let's go to the next myth. Pregnant women can't exercise. Don't let somebody deceive you. Pregnant women can exercise. Okay, there are different kind of exercise and there are different kind of pregnancy. I don't want to say pregnancy are not the same. Okay, and I cannot even say they are the same, because what Mrs. A experiences during her pregnancy is not what Mrs. B will experience. Everybody have their own story to tell. They have their own pattern of pregnancy. So your doctor may advise you that please don't exercise because of your baby, maybe some things they've seen, maybe some conditions, you have some underlying conditions. Probably you once had preterm labor, you once had miscarriage, all these kind of things can be the reason why your doctor will just advise you to take it slow. Even though you will have an exercise, it should be something mild, just a little thing to make you stay active. But hearing that pregnant women cannot have exercise at all is a lie. Thank you for double tapping. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking this live. I really appreciate. Thank you. So when you hear that pregnancy, you can't have exercise during pregnancy, that is a lie. That is a lie. You can exercise, you can stay active, you can walk. Some exercise are very healthy during pregnancy, like taking a walk. You just walk down your street, maybe in the evening while there is no scorching sun. Then you come back, you're you're healthy, you're good to go again. That kind of exercise. So far you don't stay at home, you cross your leg, waiting for milk and butter, waiting for this and that. That is not healthy, okay? So that is that. Then another thing I want to point out, another health myth is that I think I mentioned it yesterday, but I couldn't finish up with the explanation. The fact that you should exercise every day. Men and women, you don't have to exercise every day. No exercise varies. There's something we call workout. That's what I'm referring to. You don't have to do it every day. Okay? Just balance your workout routine with your rest. All work and no rest can cause injury, can cause fatigue, can cause a lot of things. So, and don't ignore any pain. While you are exercising and you feel one kind of pain that is not usual, get checked. You never can tell. That is my quote. You never can tell. So it's better you go and get checked. Just, and one thing I want to advise is that as a human being that really love themselves, if you love yourself at least, have the contact of a hospital, contact of a medical professional, or a doctor, a nurse. Have their contact in case you are feeling anything and you're not close to the hospital at that moment, or you couldn't reach. You should even have a way of reaching the hospital anytime, any moment. Probably you live in an area where hospital is very far, then you have the contact of that hospital, a doctor or the nurse, somebody you can talk to whenever any health issue arise. So they will tell you if it's something that you need to come to the hospital or something that you can manage at home. So even though you are not able to have the contact, because sometimes um, you might not be able to reach the doctor or the nurse at that moment, make sure you have an easy access to a hospital. Probably you don't have a car, or even though you have a car, make sure it's always fueled. No money. Sometimes you may be thinking about the money or cost of things, but your health should be the priority. So make sure that you have means of transportation to a hospital. It doesn't necessarily have to be your car, it doesn't necessarily have to be your motor tricycle, but at least Just get a way that immediately you have this thing. This is what I can do. I can call this pikeman. I can call this boats. All these things, just for you to get to hospital safely. Safely, okay. All right. So I think I have 10 minutes more. So let me just mention one more, one more myth before I round up this live for today. I have a lot of myths here, so I just want to pick. I want to pick. Then tomorrow we continue from there. Okay. All right. So this is another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. So they said you should drink 8 glasses of water every day. This kind of, it's not that compulsorily drink 8 glasses of water every day. Do you even know what glasses? There are different kind of glasses. Oh, don't go and bring one glass jug or glass jar and start drinking and say they say you should drink 8 glasses of water every day. That's not what is meant. Okay, so what is meant here is that drink water when you're thirsty, even though you're not thirsty and you see that it's been a while that you drank water. At least every 2 hours you can be refilling your tank, and it's not something that you'll be rushing or gulping as if that test has been hitting you hard. You take it slow, sip by sip, and you drink while sitting down. Sit down while you drink water. Okay? Don't stand to drink water. This is not good for your health. Sit down and drink slowly, sip by sip, sip by sip. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay? Then you drink it depending on your need. Don't wait till you are thirsty before you drink water. Don't predispose yourself to stones, kidney stones. So try to take water, stay hydrated all the time. Don't allow your saliva to dry or your mouth dry before you drink water. So drink water often. Make it an habit. Inculcate that habit. This is for your own good. If time permits me, I wouldn't mind coming live at night. And I'm back from work. I wouldn't mind, but let's see. Let's see. If you're going to join me, let me know in the comments so that we can continue from where we stop. Okay? So drink water depending on your body needs. And drink it. Don't let the gap be too much. Just small, small by small, small, like that. So those are the meats I want to mention now because I still have like 10 minutes to prepare. No, 15 or 20, roughly 20 minutes to prepare before I go to work. So that's why I want to just come up here. Even a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes is part of it. So far, you're going to gain something. Your health is going to matter. Then fine. Then fine. Okay. I really appreciate those that show up to my live today. I really appreciate. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for double tapping, for liking this live. Thank you. It's kind of encouraging and I appreciate. I appreciate. If you just joined, say hello, hello before I go up. Don't mind that go too. Don't mind that go. Just mind the what I'm saying, what I have to say. Okay. So I'm still waiting for question. And if there is no question, then I will log off. But I'm still waiting if I'll be able to get a question. Get a question before I go. Gianna, are you still with me? Gianna, are you still with me? You see me, I just cracked my knuckles. Actually, I've not cracked my knuckles for the past let me say 2 weeks now. So, and how's that supposed to be? It's not supposed to be everyday thing. Some people, if they haven't cracked their knuckle for that day, it won't be okay. So don't make it an habit all you do all the time. Just little by little, once in a while. So probably because I mentioned the topic, then I decided to crack my knuckles. It used to be painful. Do you also feel pain while you crack your knuckles? Maybe I'm just the only one. That's why I don't like to crack it all the time. Because it's kind of painful at times. Can you hear that? Oh, you hear that? Wow. All right. I'll see you next time. I'll see you when I'm free. Bye.